Beats by Nevs.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel where I review the latest and greatest gadgets and gizmos. Today, we have a very special device for you, the Huawei Mate X3, the world's first quad-curve foldable smartphone. This is a game changer in the foldable phone market, and I'm going to explain to you why. But before that guys, if you haven't subscribed yet, please smash the subscribe button to help this channel grow. And don't miss all my latest and greatest tech news and reviews. So let's start with the design and the build quality. The Huawei Mate X3 has a stunning design that resembles a spacecraft porthole with a contrast between satin and polished surfaces. It comes in various colors which are available globally, such as black and dark green. I have the green here, which has a vegan leather back that feels very smooth and comfortable to hold. The phone is also very slim and lightweight, weighing 239 grams only and measuring a 5.3mm thickness when unfolded and 11.08mm when folded. And if you compare the screen to Samsung Fold 4, this is more flatter and less crease once unfolded, and there is no gap at all once folded. When in terms with the display, the phone has two screens, a 6.4-inch quad-curve exterior screen with Kunlun glass protection, which increases the durability up to 10 times compared to the traditional screen, and a 7.85-inch interior flexible OLED screen with 88.9 screen-to-body ratio and 426 ppi density. Both screens are LTPO OLED and supports dynamic adaptive refresh rate that can go as low as 1 Hz up to 120 Hz, which can save more battery compared to the normal OLED screen, and 1.07 billion colors. The screen has Huawei X True Display that have been certified by TV Rainline for color accuracy and precise color projection, so you can enjoy vivid and realistic images and videos on both sides. The phone has also a new generation multi-dimensional hinge that allows it to fold and unfold smoothly and sturdily. The hinge has a high-precision cam drive system that enables flexi-stop mode, which means you can adjust the angle of the screen to suit your needs. For example, you can use flex-stop mode for video calling, shooting photos or videos, or displaying an always-on display. Now let's move forward with the performance of this device. Under the hood, the Huawei Mate X3 is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 4nm process, which is an octa-core processor with a Cortex X2 core clocked at 3.2 GHz. It also has a 12GB of RAM and 512 up to 1TB of internal storage. The phone runs on Harmony OS 3.1 in China and with EMUI 13.1 for global version, which offers a smooth and seamless user experience across different devices. Also, one of the best features of this Mate X3 is the UltraVision XMAGE camera system. The phone has a triple camera setup on the back, consisting of 50MP UltraVision camera with f1.8 aperture, a 30MP ultra-wide angle camera with f2.2 aperture with 120 field of view and work as a macro camera as well, and a 12MP periscope telephoto camera with f3.4 aperture and OIS or optical image stabilization. The camera supports up to 5x optical zoom, which I really like, and up to 50 times digital zoom. It also has an 8MP camera on both exterior and interior screen for selfies and video calls. Both front and back cameras support 4K video recording up to 60 frames per second. And here are the sample shots that I took with this Huawei Mate X3. You can also comment down below if you like the photos well. This is the dual view of the Huawei Mate X3, guys. See, you can see front and back of your camera. It's amazing for vlogging as well. One of the improvements of Huawei foldable phone compared to previous generation, the Mate X3 now supports IPX8 water resistant from 1.5 meters up to 30 minutes. Dual stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos sound effect, hybrid dual SIM card slot with nano memory card, supports up to 256GB. It has side-mounted fingerprint sensor with power button function. It has also face recognition unlock with infrared sensor on the exterior screen. The Huawei Mate X3 is available for 7,299 dirhams here in Dubai for the base model with 512GB of storage. You can also get the higher end models with more storage or different colors for extra cost. So guys, overall, the Huawei Mate X3 is an amazing foldable phone that offers a futuristic design, is slim and lightweight, with a stunning display, a powerful performance, a versatile camera system, and a long-lasting battery life. If you're looking for a foldable phone that can do it all, this is the perfect one for you. So guys, what do you think of this latest Huawei Mate X3 foldable phone? Leave your comment down below. And if you liked this video, consider subscribing for more latest tech news and reviews. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Peace out.